Hey everyone, John Villarreal here, and I'm talking about this drone landing pad from VCUTECH. And this is really cool. I got this for my DJI Mini 3 Pro drone. I really like it a lot. What's good about it is it gives you a nice even surface that you can kind of land the drone. Now, I bought this with my own money. Everything I'm saying is my true, honest opinion. This is not a sponsored video. What I like about it is it's very easy. You can just fold it up, no problem. Bang, just goes like right there. And it's also weighted. So that way, if it's windy out, you know, and also the propellers from the drone, it doesn't blow it away. So it's really nice. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place the drone on it so you can kind of see the sides of it. This is 25 inches, and I think it works really well. Okay, there you've got the drone right in the middle of the landing pad. And now this is a DJI Mini 3 Pro drone, and you can see right here kind of the general size of it. Let me get out of the shadows there. So that's right in the middle. This is a, again, Mini 3 Pro drone. It's a good sized drone, but obviously it's a mini drone, not the biggest drone, but it gives you a sort of sense of how big this landing pad is. It's 25 inches. I think it works really well for this size of drone, and I've been very happy with it. I'm gonna show it here in action with when the drone is actually flying. There we go. Now I'm gonna land the drone. It should be pretty straightforward. Just kind of get over my drone pad, kind of get it down here, sort of hip height. Let's look at it, kind of see where it is. And that's it.